Dealers stopped selling silver. We need to follow their lead. Over the past 12 months, your local dealer has completely changed their business model. They have to. Silver has not moved in price. It's been a full year, and the price of silver is hovering between $32, $33 an ounce. That long-term performance lag is just killing everyone. And this is what your dealer is doing. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they're holding this contest. It's great. It's free. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Click that link. You should be the next winner. Every month they're doing this. Every month. Get that silver. The first change that we're seeing is that dealers are following the silver to gold ratio in a way that we've never seen before. They're taking gold, full ounces, they're swapping it out and getting hundreds of ounces of silver. Then when they do want to sell silver, they just add a premium to that, to each ounce, and that's how they're making their money. Now, this is different than what we've seen for 5, 10, 15 years. Typically, your dealer waits for you and I as stackers to walk in the door, offload our silver, cash out our silver when we need to, and then they flip that on the local level. But stackers are standing on the sidelines for so long now that dealers are dependent on that silver to gold ratio. And good news for them, because at a wide extreme spread like we have now, at the time of this recording, we're at about 101, 102 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. That works in the favor of the dealer. They swap out even 1 ounce of gold, they get 100 ounces at least of silver. And then they could sell that as they want, get their premium, full premium in their pocket. We actually, as stackers, we should be following that. Here's the other way your local dealer has completely changed what they're doing. They're not dependent on you and I as stackers to walk in the door. They can't be, because we're not walking in. And what they're doing, my local dealer that I spoke to this morning, this is a great example. He purchased 5 ounces of gold. Now, even for a dealer that has been in this game for decades, like this guy, here where I live, 5 ounces of gold, I mean, he needed to pull a lot of cash to get that. But it was worth it, because in one day, he purchased those 5 ounces of gold, and he could immediately flip it to his wholesaler. Just a phone call. Doesn't have to wait for stackers to walk in. Nothing. He flipped it immediately, got a 4% profit, $600 right away. That's how they're doing it. It's all going straight to wholesale. They're not dependent on you and I as stackers anymore. And really, they shouldn't be. I mean, these are brick and mortar shops. They need to keep the lights on. They need to pay insurance. If they have somebody working with them, they need to pay an employee. I mean, this is a brick and mortar business. They can't wait for you and I as stackers to finally get off our chairs, leave our house, and start buying silver again. Not with this silver price. Not with a long-term performance lag like we're experiencing now. It's not going to happen. So they're making these big shifts. And really, you and I as stackers, I'm not giving you financial advice, but this tells me that this is how we should be looking at silver. We should see this silver to gold ratio, this wide spread, this extreme, as a way to make a smart move, like dealers doing. Take 1 ounce of gold, swap it out, get all that silver without paying each premium. And taxes. When you and I buy 3 ounces of silver every week, if we can, 2 or 3 ounces a week, you're looking at taxes on top of that. Premiums, taxes, all that. You follow the ratio the way dealers are doing, and it's really a smart way to go. Well, get your own silver, click that link, get in on this contest, 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. You should be the next winner. Take home that silver, and I'll see you in the next video.